Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to implement the sending of video messages in real time. So let's start coding, and the first thing we need to do is implement the function that enable us to load the video to our storage. So we will go to our service folder, and here we will create a new file. It's a Swift file, and we are going to call it video uploader. Okay, perfect. And first thing, we are going to import Firebase storage, and then it will be extract video uploader, and here we will create a function that will enable us to upload our video. So it will be static func upload video, and we will give it the data as an argument. So if data of type data, and it will be async throws, and I need it to return to me the path to my uploaded video. That's why it will return a string, and that string will be optional because in the case where I fail to upload my video to the storage, I want to return nil. That's why it will be optional. And the first thing, I need my reference. And when I say my reference, I mean this. I want to have a path to my folder, like here, for example, we got message images, and there I got the file name. I want to have a reference to the path to my message video, so I will create let ref, and it will be equal to storage dot reference dot child, and it will be here message video, and inside my message, and this message video will be like for message images, it will be this folder, and here I need a random file name, so I will have here uuid.uuid string, so uuid.uuid string, and that's it. The second thing, I need to have a content type, so I will need to use a metadata, so we will create let metadata equal to storage metadata, and we will give it the content type of video / QuickTime, so metadata dot content type equal video / QuickTime. Okay, perfect. And now we are going to start uploading our video to Firebase storage. So we are going to use a do, try, and catch. I will start with a catch, and I will write print failed to upload video, and I will give it the error. And as you know, in the catch you get the error by default, so it will be error.localizer description, and because we failed we will return nil. Now we are going to upload the video to the storage. To do so, it's very easy using ref and put data async, so it will be equal ref dot put data async, and as you can see, it uploads data to the currently specified storage reference, and it's the one we just specified, so dot put data async, and we will give it the data that we are passing as an argument, and we will also give it the metadata because I want the content type to be video / QuickTime. So I will give it also the metadata, and of course it needs to be try wait. Okay, perfect. Now after I wrote this, it's final. Now I'm uploading my video to the storage. So I'm uploading my video here. But in my folder, I need, or in Firebase, I need to know the path. So let's say I go to Firestore database now. Okay, and I apologize if the internet connection is a little bit slow. Okay, let's see a discussion. Okay, when I give him the message text, in this message text, let's go for example to one that is late, where I got a link, for example. Okay, not sure which one, I think it's not this user. Anyway, let's say in the message text, I'm going to give it the path to my video URL so I can display it. So I need to get the path to the video I just uploaded. To do so, it's easy using download URL. So it will be let URL equal ref dot download URL, which returns to us the URL, and of course try wait. I don't know why I keep forgetting this. Okay, now that I got the URL, as you saw, I return a string, so I will return URL.AbsoluteString. And that's all I need to do to upload the video to storage and to get back the URL. Perfect. Now the next step is to go to our chat view and start implementing it. And the first thing I need to do is, like I did in the image, I need to add a photo picker that enables me to select the video. So I will add a photo picker with matching. And the first one, as you saw, is a boolean. So I will go to my view model, and here I will add published var show video picker. It will be a boolean and it will be by default false. And in my chat view here I will call dollar view model dot show video picker. For the second one, it's a photo picker item. So I will do the same as I did for the image. I will do add published var selected video, and it will be of type photo picker item, and it will be optional. And in my chat view, I will write dollar view model dot selected video. Okay, perfect. And for the matching, again, very similar to what we did in the image, it will be .any of, and we will have an array. And here I will have video and .not images. That way I can select only video here, and that's perfect. Now the next step is to, as you know, my photo picker is by default, or my video picker, show video picker, is by default false. I want to toggle it to make it true when I click on the button. So here I will add, or I will write view model dot show video picker dot toggle, and that's perfect. That enables me now to display my video picker when I click on the button that has the face.smiling icon, or the paper clip, I apologize, image. Okay, perfect. Now I need to go back to my view model. We are done with the chat view, and like what we did in the selected image, we need a didSet and to call a function that loads our video when the selected video change. So we will add a didSet, and here we will create a new function, a private func load video. And unlike what we did for the load image, I'm not going to give it the item as an argument. I could do it, but I won't. I will just make it async throws, and we will use the selected video directly. It's another way to handle it. So, and because it's asynchronous, we will use task, and here we will write try await load video. Okay, perfect. Now in my load video, and before I fix this, as you see, we got a warning, and all I need is to make it relate to silence this warning. So let's get rid of that warning. Okay, now let's go back here, and as you know, our selected video is optional, so we need to unwrap it. So it will be guard let selected video, or guard let item, I apologize, item equals selected video, else return. Then, as you know, if we go to my video uploader, I give it as an argument data, so I need to get the data out of this item, and it's easy using load transferable. So I will write guard let data equal try await item dot load transferable. I want to make it with type data dot self, else return. Okay, perfect. The next step is to update my message video, so I will create another function that will handle it. And when I say update my message video, it means store or upload the video to the storage and update the message with the video link. So it will be update message video, and I will give it data as an argument. So with data of type data, async throws, of course. And here in my load video, okay, forgot a funky word, so apologize. Okay, and here I will write try await update message video, and I will give it the data. Okay, perfect. Now in my message video, first thing is to use the function we created in the video uploader to upload the video into our storage and to get in return the URL. So that's the first thing we will do. So we will create guard let video URL. It will be equal to try await video uploader dot upload video, and I give it the data, else of course return. And then we will send this video URL. So we will use our function service.send message, and for message text we will give it the video URL. For the chat partner we will give it chat partner. For is image it will be false. For is video it will be true, and for is audio it will be false. And that's all we need to be able to send a message in real time. Now the next step is to be able to fetch the message and display it in real time. So let's go do it. And the first thing is I'm going to my inbox row view to handle the case where when I got a message, I don't want to display the URL, I want to display like in image, I want to write send video. So we are going to copy this, add else if message dot is video equal true. In this case I will write send video, and that's all I need to handle this case. Now let's go to our chat message cell and handle the case where we receive a video. So we will need to add here. So first of all, if message dot is image, this one, the spacing will be 0, or also if message dot is video equal true, also I want the spacing to be 0. Okay, perfect. I also now here need to add else if message dot is video equal true. In this case I want first of all to import avkit Then I will add a video player with a player, and the other player I will give it a URL, and it will be inside if let URL or video URL, and it's just to check that the URL is not nil. So if let video URL equal URL with a string of message text. In that case, I will pass the video URL as an argument. Okay, perfect. I will also give it a frame with width and height of 150 for both. I will give it dot padding of dot horizontal, dot padding of dot top, and I will give it a 6, and I will give it dot clip shape of a rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 15. Okay, perfect. Another thing to do is here I will also add or message dot is video equal true. In that case also I want the padding to be 1, and I will finally add also else if message dot is video equal true. I want also to have a spacer with a frame with width of 148. Okay, this is perfect. Now I will do the same thing for this case when I'm the one receiving, not the one sending. And for this case too, I will have or message dot is video equal true. I want also to have the same like message dot is image. For this one, I will just copy and paste it. And as you see, we got a lot of things very similar between these two functions. Maybe in a later video, I will handle it and do a little bit of refactoring, because it's not good to write code this way, even for junior developer. Okay, perfect. Also here we will add, or let's copy it also. And again, I'm aware that this is not a good way to handle it, but in a later video, hopefully we will make it cleaner with a lot of refactoring and a lot of cleaning. Okay, and here also we want or message dot is video equal true. For the trailing it will be 5 else 0, and also here it will be or message dot is video equal true. In that case it will be 1 else 12. Okay, this should be all we need to implement video uploading. So let's run it. Okay, and hopefully it will be working perfectly the way we want it. Okay, we will go here. We will click on this one. I got the video. For some of you who don't have any video, it's very simple. I will put in the description below a link of a website that you can use to download video. And this video, it's very easy. Just you drag and drop them to your simulator and the video will be added. So very simple. And if anyone struggle to do it, I will also share a link of how I did it in a previous video when I worked with video. Anyway, let's choose for example this one. Okay, and now the moment of truth. Hopefully it will be added. Okay, perfect. As you see, the video was added and it is working perfectly. If I go back, you see Thomas Shelby went on top, and you see it is written send video, which is perfect. That's all I wanted to do in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, Please like and subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.